Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a basic ball pit that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 6x6 quarter round plate. Right here I'm going to set down a 2x4 flat tile. Then I'm going to slip in another 6x6 quarter round plate. Then right here a 2x4 flat tile. Then I want to wrap around these two areas here with a set of 3x3 flat tile with bow, followed by a pair of 2x2 flat tiles with bow, and a set of 1x1 quarter round flat tiles right in these areas. Let's make two of these. Then I want to take both my pieces, put them together where they're facing one another, and I want to lock these together with a 2x4 flat tile, followed by a set of 2x4 flat tiles and a pair of 1x4 flat tiles. This will complete the interior floor of the ball pit. In these areas, a set of 1x4 bricks. And for some steps, I'm going to take a 2x4 brick. I'm going to take some upwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plates, place these on as shown, and right on the top studs, a 1x4 flat tile followed by a 1x4 brick, and we're going to face off these studs with a 1x4 flat tile. Place that right here. I'm going to set this assembly right in this area. Then a set of 4x4 quarter round bricks. These are going to be the sides. Now we want to crown off these studs with flat tiles. I'm going to start off here with the steps with a set of 1x4 flat tiles, and then I'm going to place these 1x4 flat tiles right on top of the 1x4 bricks, and a set of 4x4 rounded flat tiles with bow. Place these right here. But we're missing something. Take 60 of these round Technic balls, which have a cross hole at the bottom. We're just going to pour these in here. Flatten it out a little bit. Makes a nice basic ball pit.